Hello again! Decision-making can be difficult at times, but luckily we have our dear M-Files helping us with that. Shall we begin? Now, this routine must be familiar to you by now. Checking the document out for modifications, making changes to the content, and then closing the program to check the document back in. Out pops this dialog that by default, you must remember to answer to have your changes saved to M-Files. For streamlining your own processes, you've come to the right place. First, press Alt on your keyboard to reveal the menu bar and go to the M-Files desktop settings and user-specific settings. If you don't want the question to jump out, M-Files is cool with that. You can have M-Files knocking this out for you by choosing if the document is automatically checked in or left checked out when closed. If you do want the question to pop up, then you can choose if you want to be in control or let M-Files make the decision for you if you don't react to the dialog. Okay, let's take a look what we've done this time. The dialog is still there, but now M-Files will check in the document unless I decide otherwise or forget to answer. Which I do. Like, a lot of times. This is an easy way to improve the cooperation between you and your M-Files. And, since it's user-specific, your changes won't affect the experience of any of your colleagues. Spectacular! Well, that's it for today with this quick tip. This is just a quick stop on your journey in the amazing world of M-Files. So weigh anchor and hoist the mizzen! Which is pirate lingo for see you in the next video.